Wow, it's another story time with YG, the Kingpin YG, bro. This is gonna be a different type of angle for y'all, but I'm in my bed. I didn't feel like getting up. I just feel like recording, bro. So I'm in my bed recording. In other words, bro, Big YG in the building, the one and only Kingpin of the fucking YouTube, bro. The other vibes. Yeah, bro. Now, this story time not gonna be mad long. It's not gonna be so mad short. It's just gonna be, feel me? Feel me? Yeah. Long story short, bro, this was like, I think a few years ago, bro. Maybe like more or less like 3, 4 years ago. Bonds was still a heavy smoker, bro. Still am a heavy smoker, bro. Till this day. Never stop smoking. Still in the game, smoking. But yeah, bro. Like I said, bro, smoking is not for you. It's stopping you from doing things like grinding, self-improvement. Don't smoke, bro. It's not for you, bro. It's not for you. But yeah, bro, long story short, bro, there was a time when I was still heavy smoking, bro. Now this is a part like you can say, I used to be a part of a clique called the Four Horsemen, you feel me? The Four Horsemen. But in the Four Horsemen, we were like, yeah, we were just four horsemen, you feel me? But this one horseman, he went and he came back for some particular reason. But when he left, that broke off the horseman. You feel me? You're like, you feel me? But you feel me? It wasn't there, but it was there. You feel me? Long story short, bro, we broke up. You feel me? We're no longer the Four Horsemen. We're just the single horseman. You feel me? Me, myself, and the single horseman. But we still used to hang around because we were technically we do things that we like to do, you feel me? Smoke, play sports, play games. Smoke, play sports, play games. Feel me? And majority of us was like in the same mindset, like working out, doing activities that improve yourself. I mean, we were like that. That's who we were. You feel me? So we didn't have a reason to like leave and just. You feel me? There was a reason for us to still hang around. You feel me? So we hanged around with each other. What. Until this one, you feel me, came around and so it wasn't a horseman, but he was. We knew him, you feel me? You feel me? We knew him. You feel me? He used to smoke. He used to grow his own shit, you feel me? But he stopped smoking for some particular reason. We still don't know. Like to some particular reason I stopped smoking cigarettes. Some reason he don't smoke weed, bro. And I'm happy for him and I don't know if he's happy for me, but I'm happy for him to stop smoking, bro. Because look at him now, bro. He's grinding, bro. He got motion, bro. He's got motion. But what was I not gonna say? Long story short, bro. There was one night, it was late night, but I think it was like around 9, bro. Me and one of the horseman's eldest brother, smoke. After smoking, we just talking. We smoking, we talking now. As we see a group of druggies come, like niggas that smoke crack, a group of them come, it's like a zombie apocalypse, bruh. They come from all 4 directions. We sitting on the corner seeing all this happening, bruh. They come from all 4 corners, they meet up, they done talking, they walk to the plug that's gonna sell them the crack. Bro, I won't lie, that was like more or less like 25 to 30 crackheads at once, bro. That was like a full-on zombie apocalypse, bro. But that's not the main part of the story. The main part of the story was, I think it was the next week or the following week. We smoking. As we smoking, we like, it's gonna start to rain. Let's play a game of soccer in the rain. Well, as playing a game of soccer in the rain, it started thunderstorming, bro. I'm talking about lightning strikes and stuff like that, bro. And you know, like in Cape Town, it's not like lightning strikes with the lightning come down and it's more like just more or less light shows. You feel me in the sky, but it wasn't bad, but just the light, the clouds crash into each other. The roar of the lion that make the owns very paranoid to like. Bro, you hear the war, like the clouds crashing to each other, making that war cry. Bro, you would think one of them lightning bolts would come down on you, bro. And you playing on the wet floor, playing soccer, bro. Like, long story short, bro, we played one touch, and we played one touch, once, but if you don't know what one touch once is, like one person is in the middle, then maybe four of us, then he had to try to tackle us, but we did more extreme. We didn't skill. It's one touch, so if you touch it twice, you immediately chasing the ball. So it was more, you feel me? Yeah. We playing. Bruh, after long, like, nah, let's leave the one touch, man. Let's add the skills. Bruh, I'm telling you, brother, the one is just giving each other skills, you feel me? Some niggas was slipping in the rain, some niggas was out, like, bro. I won't lie, and I was playing in a jacket. Let me show you this. There, you see that blue jacket right there? I was playing in that jacket, in shoes right there. You see that Nikes? That was me. Shorts, baba. I was playing in that jacket, that shoes, and the shorts. No jokes. I was outside, bro. You feel me? Like, bro, it was mad nice, bro. It was nice. Like, I don't remember what time I had such good times, bro. Bro, we were high as a bird. And the saddest part is, no? If you smoke, you don't get cold. That jacket's meant to catch. That jacket's meant to be in the middle of the ocean, blood. Catching fish, blood. That's the meaning of that. You don't get, even if you have that jacket on, the rain don't touch you, son. You actually get more hotter than the jacket makes you hot, bruh. I'm telling you, bruh, that jacket, it's a king jacket right there, bro. No sponsorship. If you want to, you can sponsor me. I'm in there, bro. Wallahi, whoever wants to sponsor the kid, feel me? Email's gonna be in the description. We out. No, not email. My socials gonna be in the description. You can just reach out to a kid. But yeah, long story short, bro, playing. Bruh, me having the ball on me, getting the ball. Nigga, he pressed me. This bruh tried to press me. I body feint him. As I'm body feinting him, I chop him through the legs, bruh. I give him through the legs. As I'm giving through the legs, around him, I pass. Bruh, you must know, as I body feint him, the body feint really make him slip because he's pressing me. You feel me? He's pressing me. As he's pressing me through the legs. As he's through the legs, I run around him. Pause. I want slipping fall, son. You know me, blood. But I ain't like that. I'm not like that when it comes to soccer. You feel me? I'm average. You feel me? I'm average. But yeah, bro. Next video dropping. This video is dropping today. Like literally today. It's dropping like in a few hours. I'm making another one today again. So that one's gonna drop tomorrow. And then the one is gonna drop. You know me, bro. I'm dropping 2 videos a day. Not 2 videos a week. 5 videos, 5 shorts a day. You know me. The grind will always be there for y'all. Because y'all are subscribing, watching my videos, liking my videos, and commenting. So why must I not do this for y'all, bro? So we on our way to 100, bro. Like, subscribe. Let's get it.